Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Infor 25 batch biggest hiring step-by-step registration. This is part second video in which we will discuss about everything. It is one of the biggest opportunity for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA. CS, IT, EC, EEE, mechanical branches is also eligible. 25 batch can apply. Please like and share the video. Let's start the video and apply for opportunity which we are sharing. You can see on my screen in description I am mentioning the batch as well, which batch is eligible for which opportunity. So directly you have to go to link and apply for opportunity. I shared the direct assignment hiring from Code and AI. Okay, it is for final pre-final student. Swiggy data science internship, it is officially for 24 batch. Finally Infor announced the software engineer associate hiring. So the first thing is it is early talent program, online assessment registration. Shortlisted candidate will receive a registration link for online assessment. So your resume should be good. So I suggest you to use this overleaf latex template. Okay, this is the ATS based resume in which education, experience, personal project, technical skills. This is the good format. Okay, so you can apply, like you can basically make your resume using this format, or you can search on YouTube as well, like ATS resume format. So you can make your resume because resume is very important. Second is assessment will cover general aptitude, SDLC concept and other relevant topic. Candidate who pass the online assessment will invited for online interview. Selection process is job fit will determine basis on candidate performance during interview. Candidate must be flexible to willing in work in any technology. BE, BTech, MTech, 25 batch, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai office. When you click on apply now button, so the form will be open. You have to firstly select your resume from here. Okay, so you have to select. First of all, your personal info, you have to fill your first name, last name, okay, current position title. Suppose you are doing any internship or you have a current employer, so mention not applicable. Phone number, email ID, address, country, state, city. Work experience, if you have a work experience you can mention, otherwise education history. Okay, so you have to mention your education history as well. In the education history, first of all you have to choose the country name, education degree, specialization major. You can otherwise mention like simply computer science engineering, or you can mention bachelor of technology computer science engineering, or otherwise you can mention only major specialization. If your institute name is not coming, you have to select other. Degree in process, you are from 25 batch, so your degree is in the process. Expected graduation date, you have to choose. What's your grade and CGPA, GPA, you can choose according to your grade. Okay, and where do you hear? Okay, so you can check the social media here. Okay, so if the okay, you can choose the LinkedIn. Okay, so please specify when you click on continue option here. So are you at least 18-year-old? Are you legally authorized, eligible to work within the country? India location. Have you previously applied for this company? No. Do you have any relative who have been employed by Infor or Coach affiliated company? No. You can click on continue option here. Okay, so after that self ID will be there. I agree. You have to mention your name here. What is that? Would you like to receive email message for Infor for employment other opportunity? Like yes. Text message employment opportunity for future from Infor affiliate? Yes. And you have to click on submit option here. Okay, so when you click on submit option here, so it will take some that. Thank you for applying. You have successfully applied for software engineer. And one most password does not like application. Okay, so you will see you applied for software engineer and you have already applied for this job. And you will also receive thank you for applying to Infor. We have received your application. If your skill matches the position, our recruitment team will reach out to discuss next step. Okay, so this is all about the Infor video. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.